What's up, y'all? It's your boy DC the Truth. Like I say, anything I buy, man, I might just start reviewing this stuff on here. I purchased this Honeywell 360 surround heat from Walmart. I forgot how much I paid for it. I don't know if it was 30 something bucks, 40, something like that. Right now, I am in my kitchen area. This is primarily where I'm probably going to use this the most because my room, hell, use blankets and shit like that. I mean, I actually have a heat pump in this closet here. But man, I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna tear the box up. I see now. I'm sorry, not a heat pump. If it was a heat pump, I wouldn't be buying this. Unfortunately, it's a straight cool system in this little studio here. And with that being said, if it was a heat pump, if it was in that cold, it would actually use the refrigerant in reverse to help heat the home, unless it gets below like 32 or so. Then it start using the electrical strips. And as you guys know, electric heat over time costs more than gas over time. So I really don't use, right now by it being, fall, I guess. It gets a little cool. It's just something, probably not to chill off. So we're going to get to it. Take the plastic off and I'm going to plug this up. All right, this plugged up. This thing's a child-proof. Hell, they are duct-proof too. And I couldn't get the damn thing on. So I see this thing has a low, high. Let me just see how the heat feels. And of course, I'll read the manual, see what this is. Thermostat, I assume. I don't know. Maybe I assume it works like an HVAC unit. Who knows? Yeah. So the thermostat on low. It won't cut on until, it works like your thermostat at home. You set it up at a higher setting, your heat kicks on. For example, like, say you want it up at 80 or something like that, of course it's gonna run most to it, maintain that temperature. Then I guess it's shut off then. That's what I assume. Like I say, I read the manual, see how this little thing is. But I'm gonna let y'all know what I feel. Feel heat all around here and at the bottom. Nice little. Oh, I guess it has a little safety switch on here. Somebody pick it up. Okay, that's cool. I don't plan on using this bad boy in the room. Anything, like I said, I got carpet. But that's it, the Honeywell 360 surround heater. No way I gotta put stuff in Spanish, but yeah. Okay. It's your boy DC the Truth, man. I'm out of here. For real.